everyone, it's Rhonda. I just wanted to show you the pre-order things that I got from a cherry on top. Now, I've been waiting for these for a while, and I did not know this, but when you order things as a pre-order, they wait at cherry on top till every single thing comes in, which I did not know that because some of this stuff was later than some of the other stuff, but I still got it all, so I'm happy, but a little irritated that I didn't know that ahead of time, and I was expecting to get this like last month and I didn't get it until today. So here's my order. I'm going to start off with this washi that I got. This is the Tim Holtz washi, and it is really big, long washi. And then this is the design with these beautiful birds on it. I thought that was so pretty, so I grabbed one of those, and I got one of these with the pretty roses on it. Thought that would be really pretty in junk journals or just as a vintage washi. The next thing that I got was the line of doodlebug things that they have, and they had this cute washi. And this is the design. It's got little cartons on it of food. So cute. Let's see if I can get it in the light a little better. Just adorable. So I grabbed one of those because I thought, how cute is that? Then I got these little cardstock stickers. Little egg and bacon love. And then I picked up these shape sprinkles. If I can move that light a little bit. Make this a little bit better. There we go. And it's got little bears and little food items on it, little sweet things, little stickers. So I got those. Then I went into the ephemera, and they had these, and I believe this one, here we go, the Echo Park. This is an Alice in Wonderland collection, and look how cute it is. Would you like an adventure now, or shall we have tea first? What if I fall? Oh, but my darling, what if you fly? Such cute little, and there's a little tea party down here. So I thought that was really cute. I grabbed one of those. I think this one is also Alice in Wonderland. Yeah, this is Alice in Wonderland as well. Tea time. Has a little card with Alice on it. So cute. Very nicely made. Then I went into the Disney. Now, they had this new Mouse and Me collection, and look at those. Are those not so cute? For a traveler's notebook, it says, but Mouse and Me, very cute. Then this one was the Wish Upon a Star enamel, and these are like just different phrases. Be really cute in a Magic Kingdom book if you went to Disney, or if you're just making a layout for it. And then also more ephemera in the Wish Upon a Star. If you've got ears, say cheers. It's funny. Magic is in the air. A little Mickey balloon. Say cheese. So grab those. Then they had this one that's frames and tags from the same collection. Wonder Dream. We were here. Happiest place on earth. It's time for an adventure. Happy family. Imagine. Love this. Goofy. That's me. I got that. Here's some more in the Alice in Wonderland collection. This is Decorative Brads. And look at those. There's a little clock, butterfly. That's just got some little flowers, little teacups over here, some mushrooms, tea time. Your heart and my heart are very old friends. It's time for a magical adventure, Alice in Wonderland. So grab that one. Then, of course, they had one in the Wish Upon a Star collection. Sorry about that. Puppies are having a fit at the mailman. Then back to where the Wish Upon a Star collection. Look at that. Is that not adorable? The best place in the world. Magic. A little camera. Best day ever. Grab that one. Then they had these papers. And this is the Doodlebug So Punny. And look at all the different ones. They're so cute. I got this open or not? Do not. Hold on. Okay, let's try that again. this one, "You're a gem." These have all kinds of little sayings on them. Little socks, little toasters. Cute. I love you no matter what. Friends stick together. You're hot. It's funny. Those are so cute. Little rings and things. Little takeout. Some hearts. Some plaid. Flowers. These are double-sided. More plaid. Get my hand on this thing. Hearts. Food. I just repeat. That's so cute. So I grabbed 2 of those, one for me and one for a friend. Then they had the Disney Wish Upon a Star. And this one, because this one is for someone else, but you can see them here. How cute they are. Look at that little one with hearts, little balloons. Then I got some decorative stickers. And this I just thought was too cute. An embossing folder of Princess Castle. Great buy on that. Then they had some chipboard accents in the Wish Upon a Star collection. And then they had this one. So I got 1 of each. Then all of these papers. And I got a ton. So let me pull them out and get them open and then I'll show you. Okay. The first papers that I got was this packet of the Alice in Wonderland. And this shows all the different papers that are in it. And this is such a cute little set. I just love it. And then it all these in it. And this was $14.99 for this whole set, which I thought was a really reasonable buy. You get 12 of the sheets of paper. Then you get the element pages and the sticker pages, which is pretty good. Then, now these papers are all individual, and I want to say they were 99 cents a piece, which is a little bit expensive, but these are heavy cardstock. And I got 2, and they are double-sided with the pretty roses on one side. This is the French Riviera collection. So really liked that. Then this one's Breathe the Ocean Air. This is from that same collection, and I also got 2 of that one. And then here's the other side of that with a scenery on it of the city. Then this is part of the Magic and Wonder of Disney, the Magic Castles. So I got 2 of that, and then it has the castles on the other side. This is Graphic 45, the gorgeous, I think it's Sunkissed, is that what it's called? Sunkissed, yeah. And then this is the other side. This is the lavender collection from Prima. I love this lavender. Purple is my favorite color. And so I had to have that with the pretty butterflies. Love butterflies. And then on the back it has a city map. I'm not sure why that would have a city map on it, but it does. Then this is another one of the collection. This is My Last Note. That other one was I'll Fly With You. But look at this. It got the gold on it. So pretty. Then this one with the cutouts. Live Life Boldly. A Simple Love. Our Story. Sweet Day Together. And on the back it has beautiful flowers. I got 2 of those. Nope, I got 3 of those. I told you I liked it. This is part of the Imagine That, but I thought maybe this was the mermaid one. But I really liked it because of the psychedelic kind of thing that's got going on. And then here's the side of it from Echo Park. So pretty. I love the Echo Park stuff. And then this is another one to that same collection. I get 2. Good. And then, oh, look at that. It's been so long I've been waiting on this, I'd forgotten. You Amaze Me, Be Happy. It's a perfect day. Beautiful. This is a cutout of that same one. Oh, the stickers, I'm sorry. Look at that mermaid. So cute. Little clouds with faces. Another little cutout. Mermaid haired. You make me happy. I'm secretly a unicorn. Mermaid kisses and starfish dreams. My best friends are imaginary. Cute. Here's another of the lavender collection. It's just so pretty. Just absolutely love this collection. And then here's the other side of that. With some receipts, that kind of thing. Look how pretty it is. Just stunning. And this one, look at the roses. Love that. And then this has, I guess that's like some kind of building scheme, road theme, something. This is part of the Alice in Wonderland collection. Get over here. Beautiful butterflies on one side, and then the blue on that one. Got some pink, and then a whole bunch of Alice's. That's a duplicate. Here's another one of the Alice ones. And then the other side has the cutouts on it. There's a different Alice. And I got two of these because I wanted the page on the back for, you know, some of the things, and then I wanted these cutouts for some of the others. So, so I got two of each. Then this one's got the key on it. And then on this side, it has picture frames of all the different King and Queen of Hearts. Very cute. This is another one of the stickers. Now this is the one that's inside the pack that I got. So that's another one of those. Some teapots, teacups. And I got two of those. And then on the other side it has this. It's upside down, as can be. All dreams can come true if you have the courage to pursue them. Bring your own sparkle wherever you go. That's just a pretty green with some roses on the back. Painting the roses red. It's time for a magical adventure. Two of those. I don't really like the back of that one so much, but I'll use those other ones for sure. Two of this one. And this has cute little cupcakes and donuts and candies. Very cute. And of course flowers on that side. Then we get some polka dots. And this is the Wish Upon a Star. And then you get this gorgeousness. Meeting the Mouse. Goofy time. This is where the magic happens. Meeting the Mouse. Smiles from ear to ear. Autographs. Picture perfect day. Magic is in the air. Magical adventure. The best place in the world. Pack your bags for an adventure. So cute. Again, some more of that. Wish Upon a Star collection. These are just the cutouts for that. Got two of the yellow ones. So many fun memories. So many fun. Got a stripe. And on the other side. On the side of the stripe are the pictures, or cameras, I'm sorry. Then on this one, it has these cute little heart Disneys. That's so cute. Adorable. It's just another one of the same one. This is Wish Upon a Star, Happiest Place. And on the other side it has the balloon Mickey pants. Oh, I'm going to lose these on the floor here. Don't want that to happen. Not now. Okay, and then this polka dot. And on this side more of the Disney castle. Some plaid. And on this side it's got some big cutouts. Some roses. This is part of the Celebrate America. This is for 4th of July, Memorial Day, Labor Day, those kind of things. And that side's got a barn with a flag. And this side it's got some cute little cutouts. America the Beautiful. Fireworks, it's the 4th of July. Some stars. Some more cutouts. That's cute, red, white, and blue. Liberty. Those. Some just red background with stars. Happy 4th of July. Let freedom United States. America the Beautiful. And then this one with the pretty fireworks. These are really nice, heavy cardstock quality. Some fireworks in red, white, and blue. A red, white, and blue plaid with some more fireworks, tricycle, glasses, balloons, flags. This is a different collection. I'm not sure what it's called. Oh, Crafty Girl. Crafty Girl. It's got all these cute little girl heads on it. Thought that was really cute. And then on the back of it, it has these flowers. And then this one is the Fairy Garden collection. It's beautiful flowers and then some polka dots. And then lastly is this one. Oh, there's two. Fairy Garden collection again. Got these beautiful cutouts. Always believe something wonderful is about to happen. Once in a while, right in the middle of an ordinary life, love gives us a fairy tale. Till you spread your wings, you'll never know how far you'll fly. Never lose your sense of wonder. Just believe. I love all those. It's beautiful. And then the last one is also from the Fairy Garden. And on this side, it just has kind of a cracked wall looking. So I hope y'all like this little haul I got from a Cherry on Top. I'll link the website down below. I really like them. I don't know if they ship to the UK, but if you're here in the States, they're great. Thank y'all for watching. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.